Hi friends, welcome to another round of Guess the Word. I'm going to spell a word and you guys are going to try to guess what it is. Let's go ahead and get started. Our first letter is letter T. And look, there's a little bit of green here. I wonder what it could be. Next is R, T-R. And we have some green and some red and some brown. Our next letter is E, T-R-E. What could that be? I bet you guys already know. And our final letter is letter E. What did we spell? Tree. T-R-E-E spells tree. And this looks like it's an apple tree. So how do we spell tree? T-R-E-E spells tree. Thanks for watching. Jump on for our next Guess the Word.